Welcome back now. Thanks for staying with us. Now, the sport of powerlifting is on the rise. However, like so many other sports, athletes are finding it difficult to secure funding. And the same is true for national powerlifter Sami Depass, who unfortunately cannot just lift the burden away. One of the most difficult but important aspects of any sporting organisation is to secure sponsorship to keep the organisation afloat. And with the National Powerlifting Association of Jamaica being only 3 years old, they are still trying to find their footing. Three-time national 76kg champion Sami Depass had to become creative in paving her way to the World Championships, where she finished in the top 10.
Last year we went to Malta. I actually had to create a GoFundMe to go to Malta because of the financial burden of it. And it was really from the kindness of all of my followers and people who support me that I was even able to compete at the world stage, to come 7th in the entire world. And the fact that a Jamaican is able to say that is such a powerful feeling to me. But there is a huge financial strain on traveling internationally.
Depass also says that the expenses associated with powerlifting go way deeper than just sending herself to meets and championships.
I do think that, of course, the food part, we all go to a supermarket and know say your food there, and in order to be good at this you have to eat a lot of food. I have to eat a lot of protein, and obviously chicken and beef and pork are very expensive. So I think that that would probably be the thing that I would say was the most burdensome. But when you love something, you're going to do it regardless. So it is what it is, but I'm very proud of the progress of powerlifting in Jamaica.
In the meantime, several of the nation's competitors took the opportunity to impress at the recent national championship. Tashian Wallace was the lone competitor in the 84+ kilogram class and took home the title. Ayana Duhaney successfully defended her 84 kilogram class, impressively breaking all records in her category. Depass retained her 76 kilogram class with record lifts of 202.5, 115 and 225 kilograms, while the 69 kilogram class was taken by Sharona Scott. Another lone competitor in Deidre Lewis competed in the 57 kilogram class, breaking all 3 records. In the men's section, Desmond Thompson retained the 120+ kilogram category. The 120 kilogram class went to Darren Thomas. A score of 270, 190 and 300 kilograms was enough for Janoy Vaughan to retain his 105 kilogram title. Scott Jennings stepped up in class to the 93 kilogram class, and newcomer Gary Adamson took the 83 kilogram class. In the 74 kilogram class, another newcomer and a junior athlete, Joshua Ivey, secured the championship. Corey Taylor made an impactful debut in the 57 kilogram class, and 57-year-old Robert Williams walked away with the Masters title.